Hello students, as promised we are here with the stepwise guide for making timetable to study, taking into account the forgetting cycle. Here we go. Now this is a sample of the calendar wherein we have taken a 30 days month. Now here you can see on 1st Monday we have taken physics chapter 1 and we have written 2 hours against it because we are assuming that we'll do this chapter in 2 hours. Now on the very next day you can see I have written the revision of the same chapter and taking 12 minutes. On the 7th day 12 minutes same chapter, and on the 30th day again 12 minutes of the same chapter. Now you can see on Tuesday I have added one thing. I have added chemistry chapter 1 2 hours and the earlier physics chapter 1 revision is still there. Now you can see on the next day, that is on Wednesday, I have taken the revision of the chemistry chapter 1 that I have done on Tuesday, that is for 12 minutes. And similarly you will keep on adding. See, you can see that on the 8th day I have added chemistry chapter 1 12 minutes revision, and on the 31st day or on the first day of the next month I have again added chemistry chapter 1 12 minutes. This way you can keep on adding one chapter, and subsequently you can keep on adding on the next day, on the 7th day and on the 30th day the revision of that chapter. This way you will fill at least 3 to 4 months of your calendar and work according to this. If you follow this approach, you will hardly take 1 or 2 hours to make the calendar for the whole academic year, but I am sure you will succeed with more than 95% for your examinations. All the best.